Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make, well, working NPCs. I'm pretty sure that's a true fact. I have no idea. I just looked it up on Google. It's weird, but I have no idea, to be honest. I know something. Yeah, so this is essentially how to make NPCs. This guy should not be here. We don't talk about that. Yes, I have an aspect at the end in normal Minecraft or whatever. Yes, but today I will be showing you how to make these cool custom NPCs and how to even make them that have more than one thing that they can say, which is pretty cool, I guess. I don't know. So I guess we're just gonna get into it. Also, do you like my hat? It changes colors. It's the Froggy Space helmet. Totally original. But it's rainbow. I think that's cool. It's pretty fast. I could make it faster. I'm not going to. So, we have the one thing to say, as I've already shown you, right? Did you know frog's eyes are pulled out on its head? No, I didn't. Oh, and there's another NPC. What's up, dude? Wanna go sub to Frogman Gaming? It'll make his day, for real. Please sub. Like, you know, turn, see how it was red before? It's gray. I'm so funny, and I'm so, just please subscribe. So, we also have things people that say for. It could technically be infinity. Technically be infinity. Technically. Only technically. Because it would take however many command blocks that it takes, plus I think it's 3, because you need this one, and this one. But however many dialogue options you have, plus 3. This guy has 4, so it's 7. I could have just done that. Whatever. So first I will be showing you how to do the much easier one. So here is the initialization commands. Start right here. You don't need this unless you want to make multiple things, set up, whatever, and then, so you just have to create a scoreboard. All the commands will be left in the description, or you could just type them out yourself. Objective, scoreboard objectives, add, custom, talk to Minecraft villager, because you have to like take how many times they've talked to a villager, right? And then you just name that talk. You don't actually have to put that part in, but you do have to put talk right here, or just whatever you want, but make sure it's pretty easy to remember, right? And then you want constant. You don't have to be powering with a redstone block. You can just do always active, but it doesn't actually matter, but you can still do whatever you want. So here we execute as at a if the score of talk, so how many times you've talked to a villager. By the way, this will only work if you have like no other villagers in your world, or you can set it up. I'm not going to specifically show you how to do this, but you can set it up so it can be like only in a certain area. It's just more difficult in junk. But well, it's actually not too hard, but you'd only have to just make it so that these commands apply for certain players. But you know, I don't need to do that, so this will be more for an RPG world. And make sure there is no possibility that villagers can be somewhere that isn't within 6 blocks of the villagers. So you have to separate them by at least 6 blocks, or they'll overlap. And also, you can get little glitches if you do something like. Never mind, I can't pull it off, but you can do it. I think you can do it. Wait, is it happening? Oh, see, I managed to get it happening. That's because I'm creative mode. That's not possible in survival mode. If you want creative players here for some reason, you can just change the number in here to all the 6s to 10s. Sorry, 7s. And then that will add 7 block range, obviously. But back to this. So if it's 1 or more, so matches 1 ... run tag itself add talk. You add the talk tag. and then you execute as at A if the score match the talk matches 1, it just sets talk to 0, so it doesn't, you know, do anything crazy. And then for this guy, right, you're just gonna have in this a command. I'll just probably have subscribe in here or something in the description. Tell raw at A with the tag talk within the distance of 6 blocks, and then whatever you want. Typically, I recommend having it say the NPC's name inside of these little carroty boys. I don't know what to call them. And then right here you have just tag at A, talk, distance, remove, talk. You know, same thing as this command. Just instead of tell raw, it removes the tag talk. Pretty simple. You don't have to do any execute at commands because there's only 2 commands for this, so it won't be too big of a problem. But for something with this many commands, like this one right here, you have to execute some of them at the villager, otherwise it won't work. What's up, dude? Want to sub? Follow my name channel. Make him happy, please sub. Yes. So this is much more complicated. Well, I should probably actually make one of these villagers. So let me just oh, I should probably you did not see that. If you want to summon one of these villagers that don't move, just /summon villager. Squiggly, 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 or whatever you want actually. But I recommend this doing that. No AI 1B. I don't think it actually has to be B, but I like putting a B because it makes me feel smart. And then I could just copy these commands, but you know, I'll just type them. I just need a command block. He's not centered in a block. It's gonna make it a bit more annoying, but so tell raw at A. It took me a bit to figure out how to do the second one. The first one wasn't too hard though. I think it took I had to go through like 3 different methods for the second one after I had figured out the first one's method. Then I had to figure out how to do it. It's like 10 attempts or something ridiculous. It was annoying, but I figured it out eventually. So, I'm gonna tell raw at A distance equals .6, oops, .6, comma, what the, my brain is blinking, tag equals talk, always active. Just gonna control middle click this, and then I'm gonna change it to chain, and then I'm going to change it from tell raw to tag, remove, talk. So now, oh, I didn't give him a tell raw, did I? No, I didn't. See, didn't do any looping. And you know, now for the big guns, I'm gonna make the subscribe button red again, and then gray again, to just show what you're supposed to do again. Because please subscribe. If I got to 50 subscribers, you guys have no idea how happy that would make me. It would be very, by the way, extremely happy. If you want to know this command, it's just a fill command, basic stuff. This is going to be a series of, this entire video is going to be a series of essentially how to make a, how to make a RPG, essentially. Wanna go sub? Fogman Gaming. Don't make a day, for real. Please sub. What's up, dude? Yeah. So the way you do it is you're gonna want the first command to be different. You want to execute at the NPC tag, which you can just do /x. You have to be looking at them. Execute at, and then it will just pop up, and you can just click on it. Execute at that player. By the way, that's the thing that gives me this head thing. I don't have any data packs, so I can't do it like that. So you just execute at him. Run scoreboard players. Add at A with tag with the tag and distance of 6. You know, Jeff. and then they just add 1 to Jeff. Oh, I forgot to mention, you have to make a scoreboard of that's a Jeff dummy. And then after that, you're going to, oops, what am I doing with my life? Execute as at a tag equals talk if score itself Jeff matches 1. Run tell raw itself whatever you want, I don't care. And then these ones are the same, just with 1 higher number each. I did 4 of them, cut it on 5, and then right here I just say this has to be the number of things you have. Jeff matches, you know, it executes as at a tag equals talk if score Jeff matches 4 or more. Run scoreboard players set itself Jeff to 0, and then this just removes the tag talk from everyone within 6 blocks of Jeff. Yeah, 6 blocks. Which then creates this. That's about it. Tell me what you guys want for the thing next video. Maybe a tutorial on how to get aspect of the end. Hint, it's with a command generator. There is no shame in using a command generator for big complicated things like this. How did this child appear? Where did you come from? Come here. Smacked. And I'll also maybe show a tutorial on this. Oh no, I can't put it back on my head. I think if I do, there we go. I made this actually a while ago. I just kind of grabbed it and chucked it into this world to have a cool thing on my head. Yeah, that's about it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please subscribe. 50 subscribers is like my current dream, and then it's 100, and then like 500, and then 1,000. I don't know, 5,000, and then like 10,000, and then like 15,000 and 30,000 because YouTube break or something. I don't know. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll see y'all next time. And I'll be murdering this guy because I feel like, no, I'll be murdering this guy. He just told me a fun fact about frogs. Didn't tell you to subscribe. Subscribe or I'll stab you with the aspect of the end. Out. I'm extending the time of this video because I feel like it. That's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and see y'all next time. Peace. I forgot to mention. You have to have a command. I just realized this. You have to have a command that says scoreboard player set at a distance equals 8 ... Jeff 0 or whatever their name is 0. And then it also makes it so it resets it, and also makes it so it doesn't glitch out. Yeah, that's it.